Hello everybody, it's Dean Beat Technique and this is the basics of beatbox tutorial video. Here we go. So I'm going to get straight into it. Like I say every time, beatboxing takes a lot of practice, so don't stress out if you're not getting it straight away. You just got to keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it, okay? Another golden rule, find a good place to practice. Do not do it in front of people that don't appreciate beatboxing, or just isolate yourself a little bit and just make some sounds, because beatboxing gets quite repetitive a lot of the time. So the first one is our kick drum, which is the best way to articulate this is by saying the word boots. So when you say the word boots, it's the shape of your mouth that we're trying to get. So if I went boots, 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 boots. So normally I go boots, boots, but like build up a bit of pressure. So I'm going boots, 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 boots. It's like, do you know when you have like a drink of squash and someone tells a really funny joke and then you go trying to keep it in without laughing? It's that vibe. You're building it up with this. You go boots, 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 boots. Eventually take off the oots part. Get rid of that so you're left with like the punchy kick drum sound. Just go. Okay, that's your number one. Number two in the sequence for beatboxing sounds, I would say, is this. We go like a hi-hat, just go like ta, ta, t, t, t. So take it from ta, so t, 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 to just t, 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 t. Nice easy one to get, that is. T, 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 t. There's loads of different ways you could just do, like if you haven't quite got that straight away, just go like s, like a snake would do, but like try and get the attack on it. So far we got and the third one is our like clicky snare. We're gonna go say cats. So when you say cats, like your tongue goes up the top of your mouth. Cats. Build up pressure at the start. We go cat, cats, cats, cat, cats. It is that sound we want. We're gonna get rid of the ats part and just go. Here we go. You can experiment changing different shapes of your mouth after, like. It is our first three sounds to make the beatbox routine, a beatbox sequence. Okay, so we're gonna go. Awesome. There we go. You are now officially a beatboxer. To develop it more, once you've built on your sounds and then like you're used to doing it, start off slow, like. Try and work on like your speed, but like don't sacrifice like quality for speed. So don't go like sounds like it won't sound as good as just like start off slow, build it up, and your technique comes over time. And then just like whatever rhythms in your head, if you want to like start off going. Thank you very much. Stay positive, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell everyone about these beatbox tutorials. Thank you very much.